Hello, Miss Salon people, and this is una piki, una girl piki, una sister, and una mama, Fanta, and my YouTube channel name na Fantasious World, and my Facebook name na Fantasious World as well. Me, I in UK, na dey me dey right now, and this sickness here, I want for tell una say area. This sickness they kill people them. They don't kill plenty people them. Na UK as of today, why they talk them plenty way don't die. Them pass 11,000 where it don't die. And America, them boku we don't die past UK safe. And China, them boku. Italy, them boku we die. And people still the way them boku we then get this sickness here. So I want for tell when I say Salon now one of the least country we affected right now because in cases they no boku. You know, as of today, I say na 7 cases now na get na Salon. This they tell una say the sickness dey pack go. And the only way we go stop for like in stop for go na follow una listen to wetin the government they tell una and wetin the health people that they tell una. Wait and tell una say una wash una hand them, una make sure say una wash una hand them. Not say you not get hand sanitizer, not say you not get English soap for wash you hand. In fact, English soap not they work past country soap. Country soap then they work past English soap. So if you get you black soap, you get you kabaku, you get you any black any soap way they make that house, use a one wash una hand with then soap then they na go see say the sickness no go reach you now, na go prevent them 99%. And they say for prevent yourself, a better pass deposit tell you osh. If I deposit celebrate you to my they say, hey, my sister, we make a more, we will not die. Other people don't die, but we not die. Then they tell you say, oh yeah. Na so it don't die, it don't pass away. So for them they stop. More no watch party, color. U government right now way they try for we. If you not like we, you know they tell we say more do this, more do that, more do that. Unu na de na Salon, na 3 days lockdown and giuna. But we were in na UK and other countries there, even Nigeria, they give them 2 weeks. We na UK, we don't na us past 3 weeks now. And they don't say we go, the government don't say we letter, which I go try for put na yamo na siya, so not to lie the lie. If say more could say inside with us, we don't know when they come on do. The only way they pull person do na for go buy food and buy take medicine. Even the waka who they go waka when they say no go exercise, some people like you waka for exercise, some people like you go jog, and they all they can't stop her because the sickness in they kill motama. If you die, you not get for go exercise. If you die, you not get for go buy food. So me fumble them. I beg me they beg una. That market una they sell. Yes, I know say some people they will not able afford thing there. But that market where they sell, like now black soap they sell, we make 5,000 units per day. I beg, cut down. It's 2,000 or it's 3,000 units. Keep that balance 20,000 units there. Anything can happen. Since the way it happen, something they need notice we. They need to say that the apple, una land for save. So that waiting like this happen, una go able buy food stuff and una manage na house. If we send a 10 corporates na be the eat day, now una cut and down to 5 corporates. Why? Because una not get for comot na do. Una get for day inside, una they eat, una they waka, the rest of the done. If they left inside una belly. Now, no, they angry too much. In the end of for it's 1 grade 10 or 2 10 per day. But instead of for it to get 4 10 per day, we do waka. We all know that day. So we na beg at the beg we. No say, oh na because of this party and not like this party, now I make you know for do this. You know so party sickness this. Because they see people that say na party sickness this and lie they lie. Not so party sickness this and also lie they lie. This if the party no like we, they no go tell you no what for do. But because they like una, I make they tell una. So una be left for make you say Ebola come now. So it kill people them. It kill people that destroy them. What you will able do? Nothing. Now we left for the cry. So now beg me the big una. Coronavirus, this virus here, it was past the Ebola. Ebola better. Now when you touch person, now you the camper, now you the get her. But this way also, it like they say, in the great person, they talk to her. In a team person, they talk to each other, they catch her. Now airborne disease, they catch her. So now so this why so it worst. And this why so it is map na your mouth, it is na your nose, it is na your eye, it is na your ears, it is when I liver, it destroy am. Yes, not say because me I'm not sick, I'm not afraid. No, it not the padande. It not the padande today, it not the padande tomorrow. Now so them be they talk first where the thing begin. They say now only people that where they are sick and then this thing they affects. But now we don't reach per reach. Even the one where they're not sick, they die. The one who are not sick, they die. So the health people they not sabi waiting at this sickness here. God now for pray God too. Lord we pray and Lord follow the instruction. No say I no get money for go buy bucket so the bucket so get tap water. No worry. You no need bucket so get tap water. Wetin for do? Find your small little way go able make you water. Yeah, your family the one of the wasu na and paga. Find am. Not to all thing government go able do for we. Not to all thing. We too boku. I know say we not boku reach this other country there. But we boku na salon government not go able reach we. When are UK na so the government not reach we oh. They no know if we eat. They no know if we waiting. They always say know they say us sit down with us. So now me say they tell una say una sit down una host them. If you no get natty for go find a treat, you no get natty so far for go find a treat. Sit down inside your house. Prevention, they say it better pass cure. It better let us tell you say you don't well. Thank you. God help you. Then they tell you say, boy, you don't die. May God sorry for that. So for avoid that day and for let you protect your people. If you see anybody who is sick, it like na this sickness now. It don't know to the sickness now, but all these symptoms the way they don't talk, say cold, you know, then thing the way they don't talk, say na we possibly get her. If you call this number where they say 117, where the government don't say. I beg, when I call that number, don't say because I'm a neighbor. If I call this, you go see na Kongosa. No, protect yourself. Kongosa no the paga. Call, may talk say this person has sick, may they can check them. If they no say now also they sick, you go can also go can join una all go laugh. But prevention, it better pass cure. No, we take this. More forget about all this politics business. All the one the way they go and send messages there, where they cost the government, where they cost in wealth. Now people ain't not like salon. If you like salon, you like your life. I beg, me mama them, me papa them, me auntie them, me sister them, me brother them, unu listen. Unu was na and if you not get that school don't lock, all tea don't lock right now. So if you not get go fair now though. I beg no come out. Yes, for Sidona Osi art. But trust me, if you die, it acts pass for Sidona Os. It acts because now you want get for go inside that grave day. Now you want to get for put inside there. Now you want get for the day see nobody. Now when they see people there, if una ide na os una tigi una 4, una all day na os, you just say una dey na os, no come else una go no say. Una play lodo, una play adai, una play gege na gege. Una get game there una dey play, una laugh, una pull story there. And mix them story there because right now I wish somebody go dey have me way go tell me story there way go make her laugh. Then story there the sweet. Now the time this no come together. No work hand in hand. No make the salon better. Make people will not die again. Because if you die, you know vote, you don't get party for votes for. If you die, you don't go say you vote for any party. If you die, when you die, no more you don't. So for like you avoid that day, I beg at the beg me famble them. When I also they ask me say every day, me I engat. Not for me I engato, not for me picking I engato, but me man inki go walk. When they come walk, when they come, me I they engat. I dey tell and say police shoes now do go wash quick. I get the toy. If you get the toy, use them. When I use alone at the wash, maybe a go thing on a family. Small no more put up at the topper. You put her inside the water, you wash with her. If you don't get her, no worry. Use the kabakugu. Use the black soap. Wash with her, rubby body. Fine one. And sit down. Rubby bon pamai. And sit down. So now beg my salon people them. If you even say the government talk say more could na host for 2 weeks. I beg. When I didn't host for 2 weeks. When I don't talk say that they can't feed we. Oh, they can't say oh they not host and not feed don't give food. No, the government saying responsibility for feed you. Not saying responsibility for feed you. It don't make it possible for let people then sell in the market or for let you go buy. Things then the way the government don't make possible, we don't put in place. So you, as a motorman, you for make decision for yourself, for your family. It's either you sit down at your house, you save your family, or you go to treat, go and cry, say the government don't give food and kill your family. So the option on any day, I don't let fan give una. This is on a girl picking, Fantasia. So next time I go say tata, one love, Sierra Leone. Now that we love our country, Sierra Leone.